G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just wanted to share a super quick one for you. It's a repair solution that I recently posted up with an Audi Q3 EPC light on intermittent limp mode. Stick with us and I'll show you what we found. So here's our Audi Q3 here. We had the P1558 code and we thought we'd just jump right in and grab a wiring diagram, see if we can find the command wires for the throttle itself. And as you can see here, the command was actually really good when it was failing and when it was not failing. So that proved to us that there was no issue with the command side of it. But what you'll see is as soon as I went to move the throttle plate manually by hand to obviously look at what the TPS readings were doing, you can see that the throttle plate didn't return at all, so indicating that we had a possible broken spring inside the unit itself. So we got the unit off and we had a look outside the car, and as you can see here, it's hard to tell because it's right at the top and I couldn't really take that off, but you can see there that spring's broken at the top, and that's why it wasn't returning at all, and that's why it was logging a code registering an issue with this throttle body. So all we needed was a new throttle body and a basic settings done, calibration, and it was all good to go. So there you go guys, hopefully that makes sense to you, and obviously this is a common problem, appears to be an issue with these things. So if you ever get an Audi or a Volkswagen in with one of these and an EPC light on and P1558, then have a look at that throttle plate and just push the actual throttle itself and just see if it actually returns on its own. And if it doesn't, you know you're in the same boat here. So I'll put this repair solution up. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.